How to check Netflix login devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can check where you are logged in on your Netflix account. So, if you go to your Netflix app on your mobile device, there you simply won't find any option as to how you can view all of the login devices. So, in order to view login devices, you have to go through the browser. So, first of all, open your browser on your mobile device. After that, go to netflix.com and now make sure you are logged into your Netflix account. And once you're logged in, on the top left corner of the screen you can see three lines, so simply tap on it. After that, tap on the option account, and now you'll have to scroll down until you see the option security and privacy. So there you can see the option named manage access and devices, so simply tap on it. And now you'll be able to view all of the devices where you are logged into your Netflix account. So as you can see, I'm currently logged into my iPhone, my Android phone. So if you want to sign out of these devices, simply tap on the option sign out and you'll be signed out from these devices. So that is basically how you check Netflix login devices. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.